class 12 students, since you are seeing this channel, first you subscribe. Now I am doing second order differentiation. It is started already. Now I am doing few sums. All formulas you know. I am doing from Shaha and Shaha book, Kollani Publishers. Sum number 2 part 1, given y is equal to tan inverse x. Now here you have to write differentiating both sides with respect to x. This is dy dx means y1. You can denote this by y1. And ddx of tan inverse x formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. This can be written as it will go up to the numerator and power will be minus 1. Again, if you differentiate, consider this as x. So x to the power n formula n into x to the power n minus 1, that is minus 1 into this to the power minus 1 minus 1, that will be minus 2. That minus 2 is coming down. Again ddx of this. So ddx of x is ddx of 1 is 0 and ddx of x square is 2x. So this is the answer. Now sum number 2 part 2, y is equal to log cos x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, log x formula 1 by x. So cos x, if you consider, it will be 1 by cos x into ddx of the considered one, chain rule. ddx of the considered one means ddx of cos x, that is minus sin x formula. So sin by cos is tan, minus is there. So this is first differentiation, that is y1. If you differentiate again, then that will be d2y dx2 or y2. Tan x differentiation is sec square. Before minus is there. So the sum is done. 2 part 3, y equal to log x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, here it is y1, that is equal to ddx of log x. So consider this one as x. So log x means 1 by log x into log x second differentiation 1 by x. So you can write this one as x to the power minus 1 by log x. Again, if you differentiate, then here u by v formula you have to apply. Then y2 equal to v square, that is log x whole square. Then here v ddx of u, that is log x into ddx of x to the power minus 1. So ddx of x to the power minus 1 is minus 1, that I have written here, minus 1 into x to the power minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. So 1 by x square minus, so v ddx of u minus u ddx of v. So u is x to the power minus 1, that is written 1 by x, into ddx of log x is 1 by x. Then 1 by x square minus 1 by x square taken common. So here it will be 1 and here log x. By this is done. 2 part 4, y equal to x square log x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, here will be y1. Here u ddx of v, that is x square into ddx of log x is 1 by x, plus v ddx of u, log x is there, ddx of x square is 2x. 1x if you cut, then x plus 2x log x. 2x I have written front. Again differentiating both sides, here will be second differentiation y2. ddx of x is 1 and 2 is constant. Here u v differentiation. U into v differentiation. So u ddx of v means x ddx of log x is 1 by x plus log x into ddx of x is 1, that I have not written here. So x cancel, you multiply 2 inside, 2 into 1, that is 2, 2 plus log x is 2 log x. So 2 plus 1 3 plus this is the answer, 3 plus 2 log x. Now see, this one technique you apply, y equal to sin 3x cos 2x. So you take half into 2. If you take, then 2 sin a cos b formula, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b, that is 3x plus 2x is 5x, plus sin a minus b, that is 3x minus 2x, that is sin x. This is the formula you have learned in class 11. Now first differentiation, here you write differentiating both sides with respect to x, then y dash, y1 or y dash matter is same. This is first differentiation. equal to half into sin x differentiation cos x, but 5x is considered as x, so 5 will come front. Sin x differentiation cos x, again differentiate here again. So if you differentiate again, it will be y double dash, that means second differentiation, half into cos 5x differentiation minus sin 5x into 5. So 5 5 is 25, and that minus I have taken common. Here also cos x differentiation minus sin x, but minus I have taken common here, so here plus. So this is the answer. Now y equal to e to the power 3x sin 4x, u into v, differentiation. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, y1 equal to u into ddx of sin x is cos 4x, again cos 4x differentiation 4, this is front, plus u ddx of v plus v ddx of u, that is sin 4x into ddx of e to the power 3x, that is e to the power 3x into 3, that 3 I have taken here. Again differentiating both sides, then y2 will be here also uv formula, here also uv formula. So first one is done here and second one is done here. After that calculation you can understand. So that's all for this video.